Hello friends, do you want to count the character cells in Excel? Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to count character cells in Excel. To count your characters in cells, you click on an empty cell. In the empty cell, you type in the equal to sign, LEN, open brackets, the colon of the characters, and the row. Let's use row 8. Sorry, 8. So you close your bracket and you press the enter key on your keyboard. So you can see the characters for row 8 is 7 letters or 7 characters. So that is how you count characters in cells. That's all for the video, guys. Please like and subscribe for more useful tips. Bye guys, and see you in the next video.